So today I will tell you about the indication uses of Rasbid tablet. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdur Rafy. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I'm a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert, and you're watching Rafy Healthcare Channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Rasbid-100 and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is Flurbiprofen. It is a 100 mg tablet and its manufacturer is Rasco Pharma. So now let's discuss that in which condition this medicine is indicated and what are the uses of this medicine. So let's start. This medicine that is Flurbiprofen belongs to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug class of drug which is NSAIDs. It is a analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and anti-rheumatic drug. Basically, it is used to treat symptoms, pain, and inflammation of arthritis, in which primarily it is given to osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis patients. And it is also used to treat joint pain and also in symptoms of swelling in the joints also. And it is also used to treat pain during periods and also in the toothache. It is also used to treat post-operative pain, and it also used to treat migraine, headache. So it is used to treat a wide variety of pains and inflammatory conditions. It is also used to treat back pain and all sorts of pain. Okay, as it is an anti-inflammatory and analgesic drug. Okay, which means that it decreases pain. It's a painkiller, and it also decreases swelling too. So it is used to treat a wide variety of pains, from ranging from toothache to back pain, and also even periods pain too. Okay, so it's a very good and effective medicine, but this medicine also has side effects and dangerous side effects too. If you want to see those side effects also, you can visit the description and watch it from there. And always consult your physician and pharmacist before using these kind of medicine. Okay, overall this medicine is a very effective medicine, especially for the arthritis pains. Okay, so I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like and share my video too. If you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can write in the comment section. And also if you have any suggestion for me, a good suggestion, so you can write in the comment section. I will review it also. And now take care of yourself, and always remember your pharmacist, Dr. Abdur Rafy, in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, and take care.